Hello everybody, today we make pasta garlic and oil with a fresh arugula from my garden. I got so many arugula. For the ingredient we got fusilli calabresi, arugula, this is from my garden, it's so good. And I got a garlic, and I got my hot pepper, oh yeah baby. Okay, now we start with the pasta. Cook the pasta. And make sure all the time you put the pasta, make sure the turn, okay? You don't want the stick together. And I got the spoon over here, and you start the turn. And look, everything loosen up, very beautiful. Now this water, I put salt already. That's it. Now the pasta, you gotta cook. Now we start with the oil. This, it's like the same, spaghetti, garlic e olio, spaghetti aglio e olio. And look at the color of the oil. This it's olio di oliva. Look at this, beautiful. And now we put the 3 oil baby. And I got a 3 garlic. I like the slice of the garlic. After when this is done, I want to eat. And the gas, make sure it's no on yet, because the pasta you gotta cook first. Because when you do the oil, 1 minute, minute and a half, it's ready. And I slice this. Now this dish is so easy to make. 10 to 15 minutes, it's everything done. This, when I was in Italy, Orsara, when we was in a farm, my mother, she was saying, Pasquale, ma piglia arugula. She called me Pasqualino. My name is Pasquale. And go get the arugula. And I was pick up the arugula. E faccio una bella lavata. E wash really good. Ca arugula della terra. The arugula, you got a lot of sand. And my mother, she was make I gigadil, pasta di gigadil, cavatelli, with arugula. He was cook on the farm, and when he was ready, okay, Mimi, Rusone, follow me, Pasquale, venite a mangiare, tutto pronto. He got a nice dish like this, big. She put everything inside. E quel garlic e oil e hot pepper, oh so beautiful. A nice glass of wine. That's the way we was eating on the farm. Eating bella. Long time ago it was beautiful. Nice, I remember like it today. Okay, the pasta is almost done. Now we put the oil on. And this, it gotta be nice hot. Now this almost it's done. I gotta drain the water, but I'll leave a little water. Cause I got the fresh arugula. The arugula, you know, gotta boil. Only turn with the pasta a little bit. The oil, it's everything done. Cause se you cook too much the arugula, diventa una mnesta. E cook too much, diventa mush mush. Okay? And I want the arugula to come nice, crick. Standing up, like this. Okay, now you see this with the spoon we turn a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, now it's a time to drain the pasta. Okay, I gotta keep a little water. A little bit more. Okay, now we put the pasta back again over here. And we put it back on the stove. And now you gotta be the oil, you gotta be ready. Before the oil be ready, almost, we raise the gas a little bit. Okay, now it's the time of the arugula, because the arugula you don't gotta cook too much. This is so tender. Okay, and we give a little turn, like this. The gas is on over here. Okay, now I like to take this pepper out. Cause this I want to put a little salt and I want it like this. Because you put on the pasta, it come out mush the pepper. And now listen to this. Okay, good. And now we give a nice turn. It looks so good. Okay, now let me taste. Oh, look at this. Look at it. The arugula. Oh. So good. Now I got my oye baby. The oye baby need a little salt on the top. Okay. A little pecorino cheese. So you don't want a cheese? It's okay. No poor. But I use. Good. And now, let's taste. Oh, look at the arugula, beautiful. And the pasta. Delicious. And with this, little glass of wine, really good. Salute cin cin everybody. A salute. It's cheap. The pasta, $1.25. The arugula, I know what's to buy. Little oil, 25 cents. Little cheese, 5 cents. And you got the wine, it's more expensive. But really good. Salute cin cin everybody. And we see next time. This dish, it's Orsara dish. My mother, she was to make this. Salute cin cin. Thank you very much. A salute.